Hello, my name is Alex. I am a young man, and I just started my first job. I am very excited. I want to tell you my story about work and my new life. When I got my first job, I felt happy and proud. I remember the first day. I wore my new shirt and shoes. I wanted to look smart. I walked to the office with a big smile. The office was big and bright. There were many desks and computers. There were also many people. They were my new work friends. I was a little nervous, but they smiled and said, "Hello." I felt welcome. My boss was very kind. He showed me my desk. It was small, but it was mine. I had my own computer. I sat down, and I felt like an adult. I was ready to start working. My boss told me, "You will learn new things here." I was excited to learn. The first days were not easy. I made some mistakes. I put papers in the wrong place. I forgot some things. But my boss and my friends helped me. They said, "It is okay. You will get better." And I did. Each day, I learned more. I learned how to use the computer better. I learned how to write emails. I even learned how to answer the phone. It was a little scary, but it was also fun. One day, my boss gave me my first project. I felt important. I had to write a report. It was not easy, but I tried my best. I worked very hard. I asked my friends for help when I did not know something. I stayed late one day to finish my report. When I gave it to my boss, he smiled and said, "Good job, Alex." I felt so proud. In my job, I also learned about money. When I worked, I got paid. I had my own money now. I could buy things for myself. I could save money, too. I liked this feeling. I felt free and grown up. I learned that money is important. I learned that when I work hard, I can earn my own money. I also made many new friends at work. We ate lunch together. We talked about our jobs and our lives. Sometimes, we laughed a lot. It was nice to have friends at work. They made me feel happy. We helped each other, too. When one of us had a problem, we worked together to fix it. I learned that teamwork is very important. Together, we are strong. One day, my boss told me I did a good job again. He gave me a little more money. I was very happy. It felt nice to know that my hard work was important. I felt like I was growing and learning more every day. Sometimes, work is hard. I am tired when I go home. But when I sit down and think about my day, I feel good. I know that I am doing something important. I know that I am learning and growing. I know that I am making money for myself. It is a good feeling. After some months, I felt different. I was not the same as before. I was more confident. I knew how to do my job well. I had my own money, and I felt more free. I could buy things I liked. I could save for my future. I felt happy and strong. One day, my boss said, "Alex, you are doing great. I am proud of you." It made me smile. I knew that I was good at my job. I knew that I was important. I was happy that I started this new adventure. So, this is my story. My first job was not easy, but it was fun. I learned a lot. I made friends. I made my own money. I grew up. I am happy and excited for the future. If you start a new job one day, do not be scared. You will learn, and you will grow, too. It is a great adventure.